Hi guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem which is 4 to the power 51 minus 2 to the power 101 minus 16 to the power 25 over 32 whole to the power 20 minus 8 to the power 33 minus 4 to the power 49. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to simplify this algebraic expression. So student, to simplify this algebraic expression, so first of all in numerator and denominator we have to write the exponential form in the place of 4, 2, 16, 32, 8 and 4. Then we are able to simplify this algebraic expression. So student, the exponential form of 4 is 2 square. So student, the place of 4 we have to write 2 to the power 2 whole to the power, again we have to write 51 minus, and in the place of second term again we have to write 2 to the power 101 minus, in the place of 16 we have to write the exponential form of 16. The exponential form of 16 is 2 to the power 4. So we have to write in here 2 to the power 4 in the place of 16. Whole to the power, again we have to write the same power 25 over. So student, in the place of 32 we have to write the exponential form of 32. Exponential form of 32 is 2 to the power 5. Place of 32 we can write in here 2 to the power 5 whole to the power, again we have to write the same power 20 minus, in the place of 8 we have to write the exponential form of 8. So student, the exponential form of 8 is 2 to the power 3. So in the place of 8 we have to write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power, again we have to write the same power 33 minus, the exponential form of 4 is 2 to the power 2. So we have to write in here 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 49. So student, to simplify the numerator and denominator of this algebraic expression, you have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So student, according to this formula we can write from this algebraic expression 2 to the power 2 into 51 minus, again we have to write 2 to the power 101 minus 2 to the power 4 into 25 over 2 to the power 5 into 20 minus, in the place of second term we have to write 2 to the power 3 into 33 minus, in the place of third term we have to write 2 to the power 2 into 49. So student, after that we can write in the place of numerator 2 to the power. So student, if you multiply 2 with 51 then you get 102 minus, again you have to write 2 to the power 101 minus, in the place of third term we have to write 2 to the power 100. So student, if you multiply 4 with 25 then you get 100. So in the place of power we have to write 100 over. Similarly, we can write in the place of denominator 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98. So after that we can write this line, and the place of numerator we have to write in the place of 2 to the power 102 we can write 2 to the power 100 plus 2 minus, in the place of 2 to the power 101 we can write 2 to the power 99 plus 2 minus In the place of third term, we can write 2 to the power 98 plus 2. So student, to simplify these algebraic expressions, we have to change only numerator. But we should not change the denominator. So in the place of denominator, again we have to write 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98. So student, according to this formula, we can write in the place of numerator of this algebraic expression 2 to the power 100 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 99 times 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 98 times 2 to the power 2 over again you have to write the all terms of denominator of this algebraic expression. So we have to write in here 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98. So student, in numerator of this algebraic expression, in all terms 2 to the power 2 is present. So now we have to take common 2 to the power 2 from all terms. So we have to write in here 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98 over again we have to write 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98. So student, in this algebraic expression we can cancel 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98 from numerator and denominator. So we can write is equal to 2 to the power 2, that is 4. The value of this algebraic expression will be 4. So this is our final answer. Answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.